Not because someone is smiling means that you're welcome. We need to learn from this. We need to learn. At wag nating hayaang we learn from our own mistakes. Dapat po, we learn from the mistakes of others. 2025 na, Kamiranda. We need to change our mindset, our behavior. Pag kailangan nating yumaman, yayaman tayo, pero sa tamang paraan na alam natin kung ano ang red flag, pag sinabing guaranteed, pag sinabing no risk, pitikin nyo po sa mata. Pitikin nyo sa mata, wala pong ganun ngayon. Ano man minsan na totoo lang, di ba? And it goes through different spectrums of life, not just on investments, not just on finance, but also in relationships. Papasok ka ba sa relationship, oy, walang risk. Uy, guaranteed, mamahalin kita. Wala kang po problema. Ano ka, trust fund baby? O, diba? Walang, diba? Same as life. Same as history in our life. Same as relationships. Huwag kang pumayag na walang, guaranteed.